X gon' give it to you. Fuck, wait for you to get it on your own. X gon' deliver to you. Knock, knock, open up the door, it's real. With the non-stop pop out, I'm stainless steel. Go hard, getting busy with it. But I got such a good heart that I make a motherfucker wonder if you did. Damn right, and I do it again. Cause I am life, so I got to win. Break bread with the enemy. No matter how many cats I break bread with, I'll break who you sending me. You motherfuckers never wanted nothing but your life saved. Bitch, and that's on a light day, I'm getting down.
Your stare was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing.
Bitch, please, if the only thing you can't steal was came out the plate, stay out my way, motherfucker. Gonna rock, you be gonna fall, you be let it pop, don't let it go. X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it to you. X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it to you. But you gonna rock, you be gonna fall, you be let it pop, don't let it go. X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it to you. X gon' give it to you.
So call me maybe.
But you gonna rock, you be gonna fall, you be let it pop, don't let it go. X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it to you. X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it to you. But you gonna rock, you be gonna fall, you be let it pop, don't let it go. X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it to you. X gon' give it to
So
you.
call me maybe.
X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it to you. X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it. They ain't never gave nothing to me. Every time I turn around, cats got their hands out, wanting something from it. I ain't got it, so you can't get it. Let's leave it at that, cause I ain't with it. Hit it with full strength. I'm a jail nigga, so I face the world like a girl in the bullpen. You against me against you. Whatever, whenever, nigga, fuck you gon' do. I'm a wolf in sheep clothing. Only nigga that you know who can chill. Come back and get the streets open. I've been doing this for 19 years. Niggas wanna fight me, fight these kids. I put in work and it's all for the kids. But these cats done forgot what work is. They don't know who we
Blowing. Where you think you're going, baby?
2 hours later.
Alright, so we were working on the car and had a slight injury. The Milwaukee put that little piece into my finger. Right there. So yeah, I'm kind of hurt. It burns a little bit. I lost a lot of blood, and that was only in like 30 seconds. So we gonna come back.
It is your boyfriend on the beat.
Excited your car back on the road? Alright, so it's the next day. Got the Perlude to the house, and today we are going to clean it.